Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the archive is either is unknown, format, or damage in Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7. So first is to go to your browser and then type out 7-zip download and then click on this one. And then here, of course, you have to check the type of your system. Okay, so you be able to download the right one. So let's go check your system. Go to the search bar and then type out about your PC. And then in the system type, we'll be able to see here our operating system and our base processor. So let's look for that. So here it is, the first one. So just click on download. Okay, and then click on save. Now go to your downloads and then click on that file. Okay, that's right. And then click on install. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds. Then when we go back here and then right click this one, okay, and then click on the show more options and then click on the 7-zip, okay, and then select the extract to screenshots. Okay, then right after that, you'll be able to see all of those files. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.